How to start a fitness training firm with low investment. Okay, see everyone, सबका गोल यही होता है कि एज ए फिटनेस कोच खुद का बिजनेस रहे या खुद की कोचिंग सेंटर रहे. That's a goal for everyone, and yes, it's obviously possible. लेकिन understand this, having a center physically is not good decision right now because of COVID. So what you should do is that without any investment, I would say without any investment, you can start your own business or your own firm or whatever you can call it, own venture online. How will you do it is simple. First, as I said last time, increase the credibility and don't use your name when you talk to clients. Mention your company's name. Let's say my company name is Find Your Fit. Okay, so when I talk to clients, I never mention I'm going to train you. I'll tell them Find Your Fit is going to train you. Now what will happen, the credibility of Find Your Fit is going up. So what you should keep handy is that an Instagram page of Find Your Fit with good posts, knowledgeable posts, and transformation posts, videos, feedbacks, everything should be ready, posted, and the page should look nice. It doesn't matter how many followers you have, but that page should look nice. Second, have a website for that. Apart from that, you need to be collaborated with people. So when you're starting a venture or planning to start a venture with no investment, obviously you can't pay salaries to the other trainers or dietitians that are along with you, correct? So you need to collaborate with them and make them understand that you're starting a venture and you are going to promote it, or you're going to do advertisement for the venture. Then people will come in and they need diet chart, they need physiotherapists. So what will happen when they come in, I will push them to you. So you do the work of your end and we take 50-50 or whatever the percentage you're deciding. So right now you're not paying anyone any salary. Only if you get the client, you're taking the share half of it. If the dietitian is making the diet chart, you're taking 50% of it, and dietitian is taking 50% of it because you got the client to the dietitian. What is happening here, you are making an ecosystem where the client thinks that you are a company and you have a company and the dietitian is working under you, but actually you are not. And this is for people who want to start it with no investment. Obviously, if you can do invest, perfect. Take a domain, trademark the domain. How to trademark and take a domain, GoDaddy, and trademark also can be done from there. Trademark is a little bit difficult. Trademark in the sense where your name cannot be used by any other person. Simple. Find Your Fit cannot be used by any other person if I trademark it. If I don't, anyone can use it. So that is basically done. Next is hiring. You can hire a dietitian, you can hire physio, then you need to pay them. So this gets a little hectic. So what I prefer is collaborate. Talk to them, make them understand, get on call, and then start marketing your firm. How do you do it? Instagram ads. Sift push karo Instagram ads mein. If you pay, let's say 5,000 rupees, this is the small investment that you should be doing for the your business. 5,000 ka kara. So in 5,000, maybe let's say 5 people turn up. So in 5 people you should retain them for a longer time and then get more referrals from them, and that's how you start building up. And understand, running or starting and going forward with a firm is very difficult, and it's not going to happen in 1 month, 2 months. It might take years. Don't think that with 3 months you'll have a big staff and you have 100 plus clients. Not at all. You're not going to have it. So first, credibility, and talk about your firms in every place you go, to every person you meet, and that's how you build up. And every person should go and check it out. Now, as I said, website, you should have your own website. And how will you do it? This is something that we have sorted. We have an application where you can create your own website, where you can have your own trainers, basically your own clients in the app. So that app is called as WellsApp. So you will get a link which will be attached to the video, where you can download the app, and then you can create your own website for your firm and then publish it everywhere and tell everyone to download it, open it. And when they see the website, you put good information, before after pictures, videos, and whatnot. You need to promote it, basically like that. And it's going to be difficult. It's a long game. Running a business is not easy. So you start from here. This is the start that you do. Okay, so this is where you're sorted a bit. You have a website, you have people know about your company, and then you start collaborating with people. If you can invest, hire people or do paid promotions, and that's how you grow.